Hi guys, where's Daddy Owen? Where's Jimmy Gate? Where's Masi Masika? Where's Alice Kamande? Where's Gloria Muliro? Where's Eunice Njeri? The gospel music industry was the identity of Kenyan music. They have all fallen. Where is Bahati? Where is Willy Paul? Where is DK Kwenye Beat? The gospel music industry has failed us. I remember the days of Groove Awards, the biggest awards in East and Central Africa. And then the next thing I heard was that DK Kwenye Beat alikuwa na gonorrhea. Willy Paul is leaving the gospel industry. And now they're just having sex in Umoja. They have more scandals than the secular industry. We know what Willy Paul is doing. Bahati left gospel music. He's now singing secular. And he's hanging onto his YouTube channel with his wife. You have left ministry. You have left God. You have left the church. You will never prosper. You will never succeed. The failure of Kenya as a nation is attacked upon you. The amount of sex that gospel musicians are having in Umoja, the amount of sex and fornication that DK Kwenye Beat and Willy Paul are having on a daily basis. Nimekutana na Willy Paul on Sunday with the yellow Mercedes. Una drive around ukitafuta watoto wa university. And you are a preacher. You are a minister of the gospel. Where's Masi Masika? I grew up with you. I ministered with you in Daystar. You used to sing and the Spirit of God, the Holy Spirit comes down and people will get saved. We have lost our touch with God. And the church has let down Kenyans. Do you remember Daddy Owen? Do you remember Jimmy Gate? Jimmy Gate anauza laptop, anachukua mamaid, wasichana wetu, anawapeleka Saudi Arabia. All he does on Instagram is no longer ministry. Hi guys, are you a girl? Are you a lady between 18 and 25? I have a job for you in Saudi Arabia, where our girls are raped, our girls are dying. That is what Jimmy Gate is doing. Come back to your ministry. And you will not succeed, Jimmy Gate. It is not your calling. Go back to your talent. What is it that God gave you to do? Uliwacha kuimba. You are broke. Ni wote munaisha. Where's Alice Kamande? Kambua, what are you doing? Daddy Owen alienda mpaka Nigeria. Akashinda Mama's Award. Mr. Sid, you are trending now because of very immoral things. Nyinyi mko na scandals za gonorrhea. You are trending for all week. Sijui nani amepatia nani syphilis. I want to give you a message from God. Whatever you touch, whatever you do, haitaenda anywhere until you come back to your initial calling. Bahati. Wachana na politics. Bro, come back and give us songs that are inspired by God. Songs that move the nation. Songs that influence youths. Balua, give us that. Mama, give us. Sasa mwacha gospel industry watu kama Ringtone Apoko. A friend of mine who I know his place and I know what he does from Thursday to Sunday. He changes women like clothes. Ringtone analala wasichana watatu per day. The most immoral people in Kenya are former gospel artists. Guardian Angel pia saizi tangu aolewe, we don't see him anywhere. And the rise of homosexuality in Kenya is because of you. In fact, some of you are part of it. And don't dare me. I can mention 10 of you who are homosexuals. You need to get back to God. You've turned Kenya into Sodom and Gomorrah.